This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide or show the home button on the Floorp web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Floorp web browser opened up now. To hide or show your home button on the Floorp browser, it's very easy to do. If you look off to the upper left hand corner up here, in my toolbar you can see that I have no home button. By default, your home button is probably not enabled. To enable your home button, you want to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says More Tools and click on More Tools. Then you go straight up to the top and you want to click on Customize Toolbar. Now on this page that opens here, you want to find the home button icon. Mine happens to be right here. I'm going to place my mouse cursor over it. I'm going to hold down the left mouse button, and while holding down the left mouse button, I'm going to drag this up to the toolbar. I could place it basically anywhere in here I want. I'm going to place mine right here. I'm going to let go of the left mouse button. There is my home button. To remove the home button from your toolbar, you want to place your mouse cursor over the home button. You want to right click, and then you want to click on Remove from Toolbar. That removes the home button from the toolbar. That is how to hide or show the home button on the Floorp web browser. Thanks for watching.